Hello everyone. Hello guys. It's me, your one and only Passion Glow TV. Hello, how you all doing? I know you are doing great by the special grace of God. Hello my people. It's me, your one and only Passion Glow TV show. How are you all doing? I know you are doing great, you are fine. I came out to talk about something that is really trending these days. Oh God. Well, let me just start by saying, if you dey pass the dengue pose, you are on transit all over YouTube, you are just passing by, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to Passion Glow TV show. Subscribe, like and share. There are more interesting videos there that you can watch. I just want to talk about this thing that is trending. I don't really know what to even say on how to say it, but what I know, I just want to end my view. What I know about this that I want to say. It's really somehow. Wetin dey play for women body, wetin dey play both men and women, wetin dey happen, wetin dey play. I dey ask, wetin dey play, wetin dey happen, the thing dey bring shame and disgrace, but those that are involved, I'm not sure they see it that way. Everywhere, it's either they are quarreling or they are fighting. What are they fighting for? Husband and wife, man and woman staying together, they are fighting about money, kinder guild, children's benefit. Oh, what a shame. Well, I'm not here to judge anybody. As I said, I'm not here to judge anybody at all, but I'm just here to state the obvious. It's getting out of hand everywhere. They are fighting about children's money. What about if the government was not giving that money? Won't they take care of their children? Wetin dey happen, wetin dey play, my people? Wetin dey play? The thing is somehow. It's really somehow. The way they are fighting about it, me that is even talking now, I don't even know where to start. I don't know how to start saying it, because something is obvious that it's a thing of shame anyway, but I know many people don't see it that way. If the government was not paying kindergarten, giving benefit to children, won't the parents work to take care of their children? Is a question that I'm asking, because I don't know. I'm asking, would they work to take care of their children? Would they work to take care of their children? That they are not fighting because of the money government gives to them to take care of children. They are fighting about it. Wetin dey happen? Una no see who talk to una. Una no dey advise una self. Una no get shame. The thing start like play, go soon stop. For where? E no dey stop. Una no get shame. Me, I dey shame for una. I'm not involved, but I dey shame for una. Because I be woman like una. Yes, now good thing, not be bad thing say government dey help. As government dey help una, wetin una go dey fight for? Why una dey fight? Why una go dey fight for kindergarten, for children money, benefit where government give you. They give you, make una take care of the children. To start with, that money not be una own, na for una children. Wait till they bring fight for una body, husband and wife. Now they ask question. Wait till they bring fight for una. Wait till they play. Wait till they never see before where they see for una hand, where they see for una body. They think they bring shame, na shame. But for una know they see and say na shame. Na shame, very big one. If anybody is around listening to this my video right now, make una listen. When una check on una self, na make una balance. Na shame now, na shame. It's a show of shame. A show of shame, a show of disgrace. I know they blame anybody. Both the man and the woman, they get their own fault. They get their blame for this matter. They get their fault for this matter. Man no want be man. Woman no want be woman. Wait till they play as they ask una since. Wait till they play for that una body. Wait till they play for una. Wait till they hurt una for the money where government they pay. Wait till they hurt una for child benefits. Kindergarten. Wait till be una problem. Una they fight for kindergarten. Wait till una be una problem. Una don't do and saute very soon. The jammers, especially jammers where they pay the money. The jammers themselves, they don't know the way me they look at. They don't know what it they happen. They don't know what it they. After all, not be alone and they go social media. Now I'm not saying alone and they go social media. Forget that. Not be alone now. Jammers too. Then they enter. Then they see what it they happen. The one way not here go find go translate and for them. The Yoruba say, oh my shame. What is shame? Well, as I said, both the man and the woman have to be blamed. You know why? Both of them have fault. One, the kindergarten money that they are giving to you people have made many women to become a lazy women. Lazy. I know somebody that is taking care of children will not leave the little children and go to work. Fine. Good and fine. But the fact still remains that there are a lot of women out there. They are very lazy. They don't want to work. And when they have the opportunity, I don't say anybody that have the opportunity should not use it too. But this show of disgrace and shame that you people are displaying all over, to the extent you fight inside the house, you have even brought it out to social media. That is the thing that is paining me inside this whole matter. Now they pay me now. The one they do for since people not see now, people not hear. It good like that too. But now when I don't carry and come outside, it don't become shame and disgrace. It's not good again. It's not good again, my country people. Make una draw hand. Mona remove hand small. Mona remove hand. The thing they bring shame. I know, according to my dialect used to say, I know you people that are doing it, you are not ashamed. The way me that is looking at you. As I said, if you look at my video of appreciation, I don't do saga, but this is not saga. This is time for me, for we to bring awareness to this matter that is on ground, to talk about it. I don't know how you are seeing it, but due to the way me I'm seeing it, it's not pleasant. It's not good. It's not good at all. That is why I'm just airing my own view. It's not good. It's not pleasant at all. Kindergarten wahala, child benefit problem. Where did they play? Everywhere don't bust. Kasala don't bust for everywhere. Where did they play? Where did they play? Now know they use sense. And for you men, any man that can raise up his or her hand and beat up a woman, first, that man should have his head examined in the first place. Then secondly, any man that fights for kindergarten, fight about it as if his life depends on it. Oh my God. What is it now? What is it? What is it? Ogini kwanumba. Hey. Ogini, what is it? What is it? You people are so addicted to this Kindergate money that, hey, without it, you just see, without it, nothing can be done in your life. You are just behaving as if your life depends on that Kindergate. What if the government is not giving you that money? Then you will not work to take care of your children. You will not work to take care of your family. Man don't want to be man, woman don't want to be woman. What is it? What is your... In fact, I'm asking both the men and women, what is your problem? What is your problem? I don't know. That is what I'm asking, because I don't know. Because I don't know what you are fighting for. I don't know what you are killing yourself for. I don't know what you are disgracing yourself for. You are fighting in front of the children that the money even belongs to take care of. You people don't even use the money to take care of them. You are fighting. You are fighting. Even if you take care of them with the money little, then you are fighting for the rest. If you are really taking care of the children with that money, why are you fighting for it? What are you fighting for? Ogini. Ogini. Mo, it don't reach where una go. That una mumu, it don't do. It don't reach where una go. Enter house. Make una just enter house. Stop this nonsense. Stop this fighting for children's benefit, for Kindergate. Stop it. Because it's a show of shame. You people don't see it. You people that are fighting for it don't see it as a shameful thing. But people that is looking at you, seeing what is coming at me, I will not bring anybody's picture at all. I want to talk. I don't need to bring your picture to show anything that you are... The place you people were displaying your show of disgrace and shame. I don't need to bring it out, but I just want to talk to you people. To desist from what you are doing is bringing shame to the society, and is bringing shame to man and woman, and it is wrong in the sight of God. It's very, very wrong. What a shame! What a shame! A man will just raise up his hand and start beating up a woman no matter what, just because of that money. What are you fighting for? What do you want to die for? Are you the owner of that money? What if the German government did not give it to you people? Because this thing happened much in Germany. I know anywhere they are giving benefits, they are fighting for it. But it happens most in Germany. Look at the recent one that just happened, that it's all over the social media. They are bringing their pictures out. What a shame now. What a shame. Must you turn a woman to baby making machine? Must you turn a woman to baby making machine? Because of Kindergate? Because of children's benefits? Must you? And you, the women that even know, maybe you have this agreement. It's only you that know the agreement you have with your husband. I'm not there, I don't know. And I don't want to know, I'm not interested. Because me, I don't fight for Kindergate. I don't even collect Kindergate. I don't collect benefit from a government. So I don't fight for it. So I don't even want to know what is caused, because you are not supposed to even fight for it. You are not supposed to display your show of shame at all. Anywhere anybody is watching this video from, please share, like and subscribe. Share it. You people that is doing this thing should desist from it. It's not pleasant to anybody. It's not pleasant to the people that are hearing it, that are seeing the thing you are displaying. You fight in front of the children, beating up your wife in front of the children because of the money that does not belong to you people. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Well, I'm not even here to insult you people, but I'm just trying to tell you that what you are doing is not good. It's not good. It's a show of shame. You should desist from it. Even the fact that I am saying that you should desist from me doesn't mean that I should not tell you where you are going wrong, what you are doing that is wrong. It's wrong. Ogini Kwan, it's wrong. It's not bad for me to tell you. It's wrong. It's wrong. Any angle you see it from is wrong. Fighting for kindergarten. Yes, you are the parents of the children. Why they give that money to take care of them. Fine. You know how you are going to use the money, but by the time that causes problem, there is no house where there is no issue, but settle your issue amicably at home. Not fighting to the extent, fighting because what are you even fighting for now? When they hear it, kindergarten, children's benefit, you fight to the extent the thing have got to social media. It's trending everywhere. Children's benefit, that is what is trending. So a kindergarten, that is what is trending now everywhere because you people are fighting for it. If the government should stop giving you people this money, what will you do? Won't you work to take care of your children? And you women that already have agreement with your husband, later you don't want to stand by the agreement. It's only God knows the agreement you have with them that make them always ask for the money. And besides, you woman, as a woman, you have to humble yourself. The money, everything must not go to you. If they are paying the money to your account, as it's supposed to be, by right, what I know, I don't know it all, the little I know. A man and woman that is taking care of children, that have children, they are married, they are together. Whatever, even though you people are staying together, you are normal, whatever, how you are doing it, I don't know. When the money comes, you have to put your head together and know how to use it and take care of the children. Even though you have enough to do something out of it, first let your priority be that you have to use the money to take care of your children first. I know many does not use the money. They don't really use it for the children, but they use it for themselves. Yes, depends on how you see it, how you want to run your family. No problem. Nobody is asking you about that. But why fighting? The fighting is the issue. Fighting about it, quarreling about it in the front of the little children. What are you imparting on those children? Fighting in front of them. If tomorrow you have a son and a daughter, your son will grow up now. Maybe get married, he have a wife, he start beating up his wife. Because that is what he learned from his parents. That is what he saw them doing while he was growing up. Do you expect him to do another? No. You don't expect him to do otherwise than to be fighting his wife, because that is what he saw his parents while growing up. That is what he saw them doing. And some of you, the women out there, many are very greedy. Very, very greedy. If the money is being paid in your account, you cannot be the wife and the man, the husband at the same time. No. Yes, you gave birth to the children, but the children does not belong to you alone. Bring out the money. You people use sense to agree together and use the money instead of fighting. Some of the greedy women want to keep the money all to themselves. The English people say, sow your coat according to your size. If you want to live a madam life, if you want to live madam life, you want to be doing things, dressing as your mate are dressing, work and earn the money and do that. Even if you are not working, the one the government gives to you, use it. Let it be enough for you. And stop fighting your husband because of the money. I know we humans, we don't like the truth. We are very far from the truth. I know some of you that will be seeing this video now. Some of you women that are involved in this, that collect kindergarten, even if you are not fighting for it, you will say, what is this woman saying? I'm saying the right thing. You will not be happy because you don't want to hear the truth. You want somebody that will clap hand for you, that say you have done well. It's not good. It's not good at all. It doesn't tell well. It doesn't. The way people are fighting for this money, it doesn't tell well. It's not a good thing. It's a show of shame and disgrace. Imagine that all your picture is all over the place, all over the social media. People are looking, sharing it. The presenters, they will bring it when they are presenting their matter. Yes, they didn't do anything wrong because you people brought it out. If you people did not fight, they will not see it. Some that doesn't know what they are doing will start insulting the presenters. You don't need to insult them because you people display show of shame. So they saw it. They are just analyzing on it. They are doing what they know how to do best. They are doing their job, in fact. So you don't need to blame them. You people should desist from this show of shame. Stop fighting for Kindergarten. Stop fighting for children's benefits. The government that gave it to you people freely. It did not fight. You people did not struggle before getting it. Struggle for or fighting for it before getting it. But when you get the money, you start fighting. You start fighting, everybody will see you people. You wow. You people should be ashamed of yourself. Because you don't have shame. That is why you are doing that. You should be ashamed of yourself. And stop this nonsense. This show of shame and disgrace you are displaying in front of those children. Stop it. It's not good. It's not good at all. Imagine when I saw the picture, the dragging themselves, fighting here and there. As I said before, any man that beat up a woman, that beat up a wife, is not in fact, it's not a man. He should go and check himself. He should check himself. Regardless, whoever that is involved, go and check yourself. What you cannot say with your mouth, you start fighting, beating up your wife. What is your problem? They do you. They do you. If they do you, you not say no to the devil. I know so many little things. If they want to say, is the attitude of the woman makes them to beat them, it's a lie. It's not all women that men beat. The attitude is bad. No, not at all. Any man that knows how to raise his hand, any man that raises his hand to on a woman, that man, he should check himself. He should check himself. It's not good. Okay, what are you fighting for? You are not even fighting for another. You're fighting for Kindergarten. Fighting for Kindergarten. Money that does not belong to you people. So the person that brought out the money, that gave it to you people, he allowed you people to have peace. The government that gave that money to you people. You people have peace wherever that money is coming from. But you that is collecting the money don't want to give the children around you, your children that you gave birth to, you don't want to give them peace. Every day you fight in front of them because of that money. Does that money belong to you? It's a question that I'm asking. Does it belong to you? Money that government gave to you to use to take care of the children? No. It has not become your personal property. You are fighting. Husband and wife displaying show of shame, disgrace. You people are now, you now become famous. Kindergarten fighter. You now become famous in the social media. Everybody hears about you people. What a shame. What a shame. Yeah. If you do well, every alano ko togu ulan. Ogwe, wonyomuwa. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? You people should stop this nonsense. Because enough is enough. It's high time you just stop this. Stop it. Because it's not appealing in the eyes. It's not good. It's not good at all. I don't know what they start for our body. Where they not fit end. What it be una wahala. I don't know. Kinder get problem. Now they fight everywhere. In front of the children, I go they fight. Bo. What it be una problem? The man go they hit woman because of money. The so-called women themselves back. Many don't turn themselves to become single mother because of kindergarten. Waiting they play. Waiting they suck for where on a day. Waiting they play. They do now. Waiting they play. It don't become wahala for una. Kindergarten just because it don't become wahala. Una they give una self unnecessary stress because of kindergarten, because of child benefit. Money will not be una own. Una they fight. This fight starts since una start to fight for this kindergarten. All of una, anybody that is doing it, that is involved. I'm not talking to a particular family. You people should stop it because it's bringing shame. It's not even pleasant in the ear. It's not pleasant in the ear to hear. At all, it's not pleasant. It's a show of shame. That is what me, Passion Glow TV show call it. I call it a show of shame and a show of disgrace. Work and earn money. Me that is talking to you, I work for my living. I don't depend on government money, which I'm not collecting. I know some of you will say, maybe not because you know they collect it, they pay, and they talk. Who tell you say they pay me? Who tell you what they play? Who tell you say they pay me? I look like who something they pay? Where they worry? I look like who kindergarten matter they worry? I look like that, or who government money they worry? I look like that. I look like a lazy person to you that cannot work. I am not. I can work to get what I want. Una will be the woman. I go they put on her hand for where una hand nourish. Where una hand nourish now una they put on her hand. You want be like Angela. You want be like Juliana. And una some of una will be the women will be say una know the so una coat according to una size. Even una see what una mate they do for outside. Now come house. Go remain mama una die. Now with una husband die because of the money. Now go the fight. Because now that money una just put una strength, put una life. Now una want to meet up. Yes, it's a good thing if una take and meet up in the right way. Not the one they fight in front of the children. They fight every time for the money. Must you fight for it? That is the question. Must you? That is what I don't like about it. You people should stop fighting. Stop fighting. My own here is just to advise you people if you will hear. I don't know you people and you don't know me. And I don't even want to know you people either. But my own as a presenter is to give you the advice that I know I can give to you. That is what I'm just doing now. Even at that, I must tell you where you are faulty, where you are doing wrong, what you are doing wrong. Because I want you to stop fighting, then I will not tell you you're wrong. No, you lie. I will tell you. I know the truth is so bitter. You don't want to hear it. It's bitter in the ear. And you women, stop being single by driving your husband out of the house because of kindergarten, because of child benefits. Let me tell you what you don't know. I know some people will tell you, husband not be everything. If person not get husband, he can stay alone. You lie. According to the Robos, they say Efiam. Efiam simply means lie. You lie. Anything without cover is not good. When you have a jerrycan, you use it to go and fetch water. You did not cover it. There is every possibility that sand will pour into it. Anything can fall into it. Then the water will be contaminated. It's not good for you to use again. That is how woman is. A woman without a husband is not a good thing. But if it happens that way out of circumstances beyond control, it's okay. But if it is not, you have it just because of kindergarten. What it does not reach anything, you use it to throw away your husband because you want to collect all the money to yourself. You want to be in charge. You want to be the woman and the man at the same time. It does not work that way. It does not. Passion Glow TV show says so. It does not work that way. I'm the one talking to you. I'm a movie producer. At the same time, I'm a presenter. But I don't do what I know it will not be good for people to see. I don't like it. What I don't like is what I kick against. Like this one you people are doing now. I kick against it. Please and please. You women, don't turn yourself to become a single mother because of kindergarten by driving your husband away, fighting here and there. When you continue to fight, the next thing is for police to come in. When they not send the man, you not send the man away by what you are going to tell the police that he's beating you or whatever, then you not send the man away. Then will you be happy? Will you be? You will not be fulfilled. You think so? No. I didn't say it's right for the man to be fighting for that money. Any man that is fighting for kindergarten with the wife, the man does not know himself. He does not know himself. I will not want to insult the man, to call him names. No, but it's wrong. Because me, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm married. I'm under a man too. I'm a married woman. So I will not insult, I will not want to insult the man. If not, there are some people that will be presenting this matter, the person will not even look back and start insulting. No, I will not insult the man. But all I say, this thing is a show of shame that you people are displaying. I will not want to use any bad word to insult the man. No, I will not. Not that I don't know the kind of word to use for such men, but I will not. And you women, take it easy. Take it easy, Biko. Take it easy, Biko. Please take it easy with your husband. Anywhere, anybody you are watching me from, please watch, like and share this video. Please. And don't forget to leave your comment below. Don't forget to leave your comment below. What is it, Ogini Kwan? Ogini, what is it? What is it? Fighting for kindergarten. Are you supposed to be fighting for that money? Many women are singles today. Single women. They are single. Why are they single? When you really come into the matter, you will see that it's not all about little misunderstanding. When you find that if they have 10 issues, when you find that 10 issues, you will see that money is the problem, is the issue. Which money? Not just money that they work with, kindergarten. Because of this, many women have driven out their husband. They have driven their husband away. They now become single. It's not a good thing. There is a song in my dialect. Okmane mogwe egime ujo. Okmane mogwe muji. Simply means, for those of you that does not understand Benin, a plate that does not have cover doesn't have respect. But it's a parable. It means many things. For example, let me define it for you. A woman without a husband doesn't have respect in the eyes of people. So it's not all about the plate, a plate that does not have cover. It means it's a big word, it's a parable. So that is what I just defined for you now. A woman without a husband does not have respect at all. If it happens that you are a widow, you lost your husband, it's a different ball game. That one is understandable. If you are still young, you can remarry. If you don't want, you want to stay like that, nobody will use it against you. But one thing most importantly, respect yourself before the society. Then your name will not be castigated. But for you that is opportune, your husband did not die, you are not a widow, you use your hand to send him away because of Kindergate or Guinea. What is it? Or Guinea? Walking or soon? Waiting they play, waiting they sup, waiting they play. I beg. I don't still talk to you. My brothers and sisters, this is my advice. Stop fighting your wife. Stop beating your wife. I'm still going to come to this video. I'm still going to do part 2 of this video. But I just want to tell you, now, stop fighting your wife. Stop it. It's not good. It's not a pleasant thing to hear. It's not a good thing. Seeing you all over social media, they are dragging you people all over, talking about you people. Too bad. It's not good. Please, husbands, stop beating your wife because of Kindergate. Man and woman staying together even though you are not married legally. The man, stop beating the woman you are staying together, because after all you have children together. Stop beating her because of Kindergate. Stop fighting. And you woman, watch your mouth before the man will say one. You have said 10 things just because of that money. Before the man will say one, you have said 10. That money does not belong to you alone. You and your husband or your staying together partner supposed to come in agreement. You know how you use that money. I know some people, especially some men, they are self-centered. And it's not good for a man. Self-centered person is not good. There are some men, everything is all about them. Same goes to some women. They are like that. When two couples, one is so greedy, it's very, very bad. It's not a good thing. Any couple, one is so greedy, that marriage hardly survives. Because one is so greedy. It's all about greed. Anything that kills faster is greed, greediness. It's not a good thing. Please, my country people, my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigerians, all over the world, anywhere you are watching me from, stop fighting for Kindergate. Stop killing yourself over nothing. You, the women, stop fighting your husband or your partner over nothing. And you, the men, women beaters, stop beating up women. Stop beating up your wife. Stop beating up your partner. If you want to fight, you know where to go. Or you go to wrestling ground and fight. You know where to go and fight. Go to the street, you will see men like you. Must you use your wife as a punching bag or your partner as a punching bag? Must you? Because of kindergarten, you people want to turn the women to money making machine. It's wrong. It's wrong. Even in the sight of God, it's wrong. It's in the Bible. Women, submit yourself to your husband. And men, is there. Respect your wife too. Respect is a reciprocal. But some men, they even want women to respect them, but they don't respect the woman. It's wrong. It's not good. Even though they are not dragging anything. Yes, man is the head of the house. Accepted, noted. Nobody is dragging that with you. Nobody. I'm just talking. I know some women, they are claiming woman, claiming man as well. But that is what me, I don't do. I don't do that. I'm saying what I know, and what I know is right, and what I know is wrong. You, the women, respect. Submit yourself to your husband. Respect him. If the kindergarten money wants it, then give him. Let him give you out of it. Share it. Don't fight him because of that. Don't drive your husband away because of kindergarten. Not at all. Don't do that. It's not good. You can tell yourself the truth. When you drive him away out of your pepper body, I know we women, we get pepper body. When you drive him away, later you will be alone and be thinking. You will be feeling it, even though you don't want to say it out. So it's not good, please. You people should stop this. Stop this fighting. This is what I just want to say. I came to advise in this video. Please, anywhere you are passing, if you are passing, you are on transit on YouTube, you then get pause, you they look, you never know where they walk out, pardon, they say, well, waiting, then they talk. Then they talk better thing, then they talk something. For my video, in any nonsense, you will make see sense out of it now. Somebody like me, Passion Glow TV show, I make sense out of nonsense. That is me for you. Please, my brothers and sisters, stop fighting and stop this thing. Anywhere you are watching this video from, you are seeing it. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Passion Glow TV show. Everything about me is all about entertainment and presenting. And you will be seeing more of my videos. Please, my brothers and sisters, my country people, my Nigerians, anywhere, all over the world, please stop this thing. Anybody that is involved, stop this fighting. Stop this show of shame. Stop this fighting. Fighting for kindergarten is not good. Stop it. It's not pleasant to anyone that is hearing and seeing it. It's not good. It's a show of shame. It's a show of disgrace. All these things that you are doing, your children will grow. They will grow. They are watching you. They will grow with it. It's not good. Please stop fighting. You men, stop beating up your wife. And you women, stop dragging kindergarten and fighting with them because of this, your husbands, because of the money. And respect your husbands. Please stop. I think when you respect your husband, some of the men, the one that really that can think, that have head, nobody that doesn't have conscience, they will feel bad and stop doing what they are doing and stop beating you people up, those that their husbands are beating because of this money. Please, my brothers and sisters, my country people, I beg una, make una stop this thing. Una stop this show of shame and show of disgrace. I beg, make una stop am. Please, you people should stop it. Stop fighting. Stop beating. You the man, stop beating your wife because of kindergarten money. And you the woman, stop fighting your husband as well and calling a police or whatever, one thing or the other for him because of kindergarten money. Stop sending your husbands away. Stop it. It's not good. Let the children stay with their father and grow up with their father. By the time you send your husband away, you will stay alone with the children. It's not good. Please, I beg you, you people should stop this. This is the word of advice I just said I should come and give you to you people. It's your one and only Passion Glow TV show. God bless you all. Anywhere you are watching me from, you are passing by, you are on transit on YouTube, you dey decompose, you dey make shakara, you dey say you never know where you belong. You belong to anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even if you have others that you subscribe to, it's not only one person. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch my film. I'm a producer. I'm an actor. I'm an actress, whatever you call it. Anyone, I'm there. I'm a comedian. I'm a showmaker. So you will always see me. You will see my video. Share my video. Like it. And don't forget, subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button in case when I upload any new video, you will see it. And don't forget to leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay blessed.